Welcome back to Healing Breath of the Holy Spirit, where the gospel meets healing for the soul, mind, and body. Here, we discover the transforming power of faith as we explore emotional, spiritual, and physical wellness through the breath of God's Spirit. Let me ask you something. What if the love of God you've been searching for was never gone? What if it was just hidden, waiting for you where you least expected it? Consider the story of Eli. Eli was a man who had completely given up on prayer. He was once full of faith, but life's relentless losses had worn him down. His business failed, his relationships crumbled, and his spirit felt utterly silent. Every single night, he would sit alone in the darkness, whispering, "God, are you still there?" But an answer never came. He was met with silence, time and time again. One afternoon, seeking a bit of fresh air, he went for a walk through a local park. He noticed a small boy joyfully feeding the birds. The child's laughter filled the air every time a bird landed near his outstretched hand. Eli managed a faint smile and sat on a bench just watching. Suddenly, the boy dropped his bag of crumbs. All the birds flew away except for one. This one little bird stayed behind, patiently waiting. The boy picked up his bag, looked at the bird, and said softly, "Don't worry, I'll share again." Something about those simple, innocent words pierced right through Eli's hardened heart. In that very moment, he felt a whisper. It wasn't a booming voice from the sky, but a gentle nudge from deep within his soul saying, "That's how I see you. You think I've left you, but I'm just waiting to share again." Tears welled up in Eli's eyes. For the first time in years, he didn't feel abandoned. He felt seen. He felt known. That small, seemingly insignificant moment with a child and a bird became his miracle. Eli began to pray again. Not because his life magically got easier overnight, but because he finally realized God was never silent. He was speaking all along, through every small act of love and grace that Eli had previously overlooked. Now here's the twist. The very next day, Eli went back to the park, hoping to find the child and thank him. But when he asked around, no one had seen a little boy there all morning. Sometimes the Holy Spirit visits us in ways we can't explain, through people, through moments, or through gentle reminders that love never, ever left. It's always there, waiting for us to notice. If this story touched your heart, please give this video a like and share in the comments how you've felt God speak to you recently. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories of faith and healing. Always remember, the Holy Spirit still moves, often in the quietest, most unexpected places.